Hello guys, welcome back to Plans 4, and today we will take a look at this Warlord Games Resin American Civil War Fighting Infantry Regiment. In this box you will get 24 miniatures in the firing line formation, so enough for building classic 24-man regiment, which is, well, in most of rules. Also you will get full command squad with drummer, ogler, standards and officer. And also little nice bonus into snake rail faces from Sarisa Precision which are inside. Let's take a look! Oh, nice little bonus which was not mentioned on the box is that you will get 2 sheets for flags. One Union, one Confederate. On Confederate sheet we have, well, classic Army of Northern Virginia style flag with many regimental one additions, like numbers and stuff. Also there are some national flag for Confederacy, Virginia flag, Bonnie Blue flag. For whatever reason there is Robert E. Lee headquarters flag, we're not sure why. And more Virginia infantry flags for Americans. We have some interesting options like Lafayette Guard Regimental Corps, Irish Brigade, New Jersey Main heavy artillery regiment. Interesting to add even artillery flags. From the flags we can see that it's probably some sort of early war accent here. And for whatever reason there are three flags, no, or 2 flags for United States Marine Corps. Which interesting choice. Of course, like in all these Warlord sets for American Civil War, you will get 2 rail fences from Sarisa Precision. So this piece which is photographed here, but you will get 2 of them. So if you buy the full box of the 3 of, so each of the new releases, you will get 6 of these fences, which is, after all, it's something. There are some bases. This seems like yeah, classic 4x4 centimeter square. So enough for whole box, and you will get some spares. There are some 2x2 and these long ones which I'm not sure for what dimensions they are and for what they are intended, but they are here. Again, as with all these big resin boxes, or even I think in the all metal boxes from Warlord, you will get the inside small plastic box, so miniatures are here, and you know that can be damaged while in transport, which is nice little detail, and I really love this small Warlord boxes. So now here are a couple of reloading miniatures. Again, details are sharp. Lots of details. Probably will be really fun to paint, because you can see that there are no flashes basically, and the details again are really sharp, which will be real joy to paint. It is always good to have nice miniatures, don't you think, guys? So these were reloading figures. Now here are some firing guns. Okay, here is one with sort of band rifle. But there is nothing which a couple of hot water can fix. But it looks like this is just the only two of them from the box, and these are same scalps. It seems so probably there is some sort of issue with the mold machine. Another one firing, reloading. Again, really nice sharp details. So I will take this metal Perry miniature one and let's see how they, fit scale-wise. I would say they did pretty well. For the rifle itself, it seems that the size is basically same. Perry has probably a little smaller head, but well, no big deal, and I think you can clearly match them without any problem in the same army. And to be honest, I think you can even, match them even in the same unit. Ah, I see. Couple of them have even backpacks. That's nice. Oh, nice. Nice figures. Nice detail, everything. I'm really pleased with them. So that was one box, and let's take a look at the second one. Decals for the caps. So here we have standard bearers. Second standard bearer. Bugler. One sergeant. Really pretty miniatures. And here is the drummer. As you can see, he even has the front braiding on his uniform. Really nice sculptures. To be honest, I'm really pretty impressed. And there is flagpole. Also from Resin. I'm not sure if it's a good idea, but here we are. And don't want to focus, but you have the American Eagle here on the top of the flagpole. Nice little detail if you are playing Union. Okay, there is another flagpole in this other bag. There are a couple of, infantrymen which are cooking their muskets, and the regimental commander. Both of these boxes are being sold as, universal for both Union and Confederacy. Like was the first American Civil War plastic box from Pre-Miniatures, which has some issues like, the assorted heads. And on this commander we can clearly see that he has his officer's epaulette in the Union style, but it's probably no issue if you are playing Confederacy on the, early war with federal uniform styles. It could be issue if you are running for, late war, but after all there will be still issue with the frock coats they are having, so I don't want to, point out that the officer is clearly Union design. And I have this feeling that on the advancing box there is the officer which has braiding on his sleeves, so probably he's intended as Confederate ones, but it's nothing a hobby knife could, solve in like 20 seconds. So this was my little unboxing of Warlord Games Infantry Regiment Firing Line. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like, and if you want to see review for more unboxings for the other 2 boxes from Warlord in the range, well, check out my channel and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss them. Bye guys.